Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the VLLO app from both Android and iPhone in just a few steps. First, go to your home screen. Within it, find the VLLO app icon. Now press and hold the VLLO app icon. On Android, a small menu will appear. Tap on install, then confirm by tapping OK. But on iPhone, after holding the app icon, tap on remove app, then select the delete app, and it will show a confirmation message regarding the deletion. Tap on delete to confirm again. Alternatively, the second way is you can just go to the setting icon, then tap on it. If you are using Android, you can just scroll down and tap on app or app and notification. From the list of the installed app, find and tap on the VLLO, and a confirmation message will appear. Tap OK to confirm. And for iPhone users, when you are on the settings, tap on general, then go to the iPhone storage. Scroll through the list of the apps and tap on the VLLO. Now tap delete and confirm again, and after confirming, VLLO will be completely removed from your device. And that's how you can install the VLLO app directly from the setting on Android and iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more easy VLLO app tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.